Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 15. Now in this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to use single-digit sums to help support the solutions for sums up to 40. So we're going to be using things that we already know to kind of help us out. So looking at this, 4 plus 7. Now I know that 4 plus 7 is 11. So I'm going to count on, put that bigger number in my head, which is 7, and add on 4 more. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, 14 plus 7. Well, this looks a little similar to 4 plus 7. The only thing that's different is this 1 in front, which you know that 1 in front of the 4 is a 10. So that means all we're doing is adding a 10 to it. So we know that 11 is 1, 1, and 1, 10. So if we add 1 10 to 11, it'd be 21. So I just used 4 plus 7 to help me figure out what 14 plus 7 was. Now let's look at 24 plus 7. Well, this is kind of familiar to 14 plus 7. But there's a 2 in front now instead of a 1. So we know that 24 has 2 10s and 4 1s. So that means we're going to have to add another 10 to it. So 21, so 14 plus 4 equals 21. So 24 plus 7, if I add one more 10 to that 21, we know would be 31. Then the last one, 34 plus 7. Oh, well, 34 plus 7 looks familiar. With it, 24 plus 7, we just added another 10 to it, because 34 has 3 10s now and 4 1s. So if you notice, the 1s are all staying the same. It's just these 10s that are going up a little bit, going up 1 10 at a time. So we can use this to be able to help us later on. In other number sentences that might be a little more tricky for us, we can think about these things about what is something that can help me figure this out. So 34 plus 7. Well, I know that 24 plus 7 equals 31. Add one more 10 to it, which is 41. Okay? So the pattern for this was that we just added a 10 every time. Because if you look, the 10's place got one more in it each time. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.